Hello, dear professor. We are the group number 4, and today we are going to delve into the theories of learners' creative construction of language.
Hello, dear professor. I'm Soraya Villalta. Today, I'll compare contractive analysis by Robert Lado to three other theories in the second language acquisition: interference, avoidance, and error analysis. Contrastive analysis systematically compares the native and target language to predict learning difficulties based on linguistic difference. Interference looks at errors caused by negative transfer from the first language. Avoidance is when learners considerably or unconsiderately avoid difficult words or structure. Error analyze by Steve Pitt Corder studies the actual errors learners make to understand their sources and inform teaching. The key discussion is that contrastive analysis aims to predict challenges through language comparison, while the other analyze real phenomena like interference errors, avoidance strategies, and actual learn errors. Thank you.
I'm Silvia Guaman and I'm going to talk about monitor model crashes. And the main characteristics are, for example, a function that allows learners to just learn knowledge to correct acquired speech. Another is emotional factors that may facilitate or inhibit language acquisition. Now I am going to talk about the similarities between error analysis and monitor model is that we believe that errors provide value information about the acquisition process. Between a constructive analysis and monitor model, both approaches can be used to predict and explain certain types of errors made by the student and between universal grammar and monitor model, both models have a strong theoretical basis and seek to explain fundamental processes of language learning. Now, the differences. Uh, in a error analysis, seek to understand and correct errors, while corrections warns against an excessive focus on corrections. And constructive analysis is based on comparing linguistic structures between two languages, while corrections focus on the acquisition process through comprehensible input. And in the universal grammar, corrections theory has a strong pedagogical component applicable to language teaching, while universal grammar is more theoretical and abstract, focused on understanding human linguistic ability. Thank you.
My name is Daniela Jimenez and I'm going to continue with error analysis. In this graphic organizer, we can see that Gardner's error analysis theory shares the objective of understanding the language process with other theories, but it is distinguished by its specific focus on the analysis of errors made by learners. Unlike previous theories that consider errors as failures, error analysis considers them as evidence of learners' progress in developing linguistic competence. This theory examines real samples of students' linguistic production to identify problematic areas and the strategies they use, while the monitor model focuses on the mental processes of language production. Contrasted analysis compares linguistic systems, and universal grammar explores innate cognitive processes. Error analysis is the only one of these theories that focuses specifically on studying learners' errors from actual samples of their language. This perspective changes the way we view errors, and the role in facilitating language acquisition, becoming a key contribution of error analysis that sets it apart from the other theories compared here. Thank you.
Hello, teacher. My name is Bernarda Pavon, and today I'm going to talk about universal grammar. In universal grammar, Chomsky says that all children are born with the innate ability to learn any human language. They have a rich system of linguistic knowledge. The child being exposed to language learns on his own. In contrastive analysis, here describes the difference and similarities between a paired language. In error analysis, errors are inevitable and necessary in the learning process of the language. In monitor model, the conscious part that corrects and edits what we said or write in the new language. Cultural language are derived from a universal grammar with biological roots. Thank you. Hello, dear professor. I'm Lorena Velasquez, and I'm going to give you a little conclusion about the topic. The learner's main theories on the creative construction of language emphasize the innate abilities and social interaction. For example, the universal grammar posits that humans have an innate capacity for language acquisition. Controversially, the constructivism argues that children actively build their linguistic knowledge through interaction and with their environment and cognitive development. Meanwhile, social theory highlights that children learn language through communication with others. By the other hand, the input hypothesis suggests that language is best acquired when learners receive comprehensible input. All these theories highlight that language acquisition is an active and creative process, influenced by innate capacities, social interaction, and the environment. Thank you.